Agriculture. Question 1. In the context of climate-smart agriculture, consider the following statements. 1. The concept of climate-smart agriculture was developed by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. 2. Climate-smart agriculture is based on three main pillars, namely, increase productivity, reduce emission, and decrease input subsidy. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding crops. 1. Tea needs well-drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. 2. Jute grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. 3. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 180 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Which of the following statements is are correct regarding regenerative agriculture? 1. It describes farming and grazing practices that reverse climate change by rebuilding soil organic matter and restoring degraded soil biodiversity. 2. It is dynamic and holistic, incorporating permaculture and organic farming practices. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding chickpea. 1. The Chickpea Pangenum initiative is led by the Food and Agriculture Organization. 2. Grown in more than 50 countries, chickpea is the world's third most cultivated legume. 3. India is the largest producer of chickpea in the world. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding biofortified rice. 1. The first biofortified staple crop, golden rice, was developed to tackle vitamin C deficiency. 2. Biofortified rice is one of the highest value forming interventions for micronutrient deficiency. 3. Biofortified rice has no side effects. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding the palm oil. 1. The world's biggest importer of palm oil is India. 2. Recently the National Mission on Edible Oil Palm, NMOP, launched with special emphasis given to northwestern states due to the conducive weather conditions in the regions. 3. It is used extensively in the production of detergents, plastics, cosmetics, and biofuels. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Which of the following are the major benefits of social forestry? 1. Conservation of soil and development of wasteland. 2. Augmentation of biodiversity. 3. Improving air quality. 4. Diversion of agricultural land to forestry. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. Which of the following are the parts of the social forestry program? 1. Farm forestry. 2. Community forestry. 3. Agroforestry. 4. Extension forestry. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding cultivation of millets crop. 1. Millets are classified into major and minor millets based on the plant size. 2. Millets are rich in gluten, which helps as a detoxifying agent in the body. 3. Pearl millets is commonly known as bajra and finger millets is basically known as ragi. 4. The United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, has declared the year 2023 as the International Year of Millets. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 3 and 4 only. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding farming in India. 1. India ranks first in number of organic farmers and Sikkim is the world's first fully organic state. 2. Participatory guarantee system is a process of certifying inorganic products, which ensures that their production takes place in accordance with laid-down quality standards. 3. Under Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, organic farming is promoted through adoption of organic villages by cluster approach and participatory guarantee system certification. Which of the statements mentioned above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 11. With reference to Project Bold, Bamboo Oasis on lands in drought, which of the following statements are incorrect? A. It seeks to reduce desertification and provide livelihood by creating bamboo-based green patches in arid and semi-arid land zones. B. Project Bold was launched from a tribal village Nichla Mandwa in Rajasthan. C. Saplings of special bamboo species Bambusa tulda and Bambusa polymorpha brought from Assam have been planted on vacant arid Gram Panchayat land. D. It is the first of its kind exercise in India that was launched by National Afforestation and Eco Development Board.